All right, we're gonna wash our hair with Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Shampoo and Conditioner. And I'm gonna use a shampoo brush to clean my scalp. And I also use that conditioner to detangle my hair in the shower. And I used a wet brush for this. Now my hair is soaking wet. And I'm gonna use Deva Curl's Believe In Curl Plumper and Cantu's Curl Activating Cream, Deva Curl's Ultra Defining Gel, and a blow dryer from Canon Pro that has different heat settings and a big diffuser. This is a little bit of water and conditioner mixed together. So first things first, I'm gonna comb my hair out in front of my face, upside down. I'm taking the Believe In section by section and using the praying hand methods and the raking method to really put that into each section of hair. And then you're gonna see I'm gonna squish it up. The reason I squish it up or scrunch it up is so that essentially a watered down version of that product mixed with water will go up to my scalp. So you don't want too much product up at your scalp because you'll get a very flat looking hairstyle. So you can see I'm squishing it through. Now I'm gonna get a little tiny bit of the Cantu's Curl Activating Cream, about a dime sized blob, and I just put it throughout my hair. I'm not as precise with this product. Squish, squish, squish. Now I'm gonna get a good palm size amount of Deva Curl's Ultra Defining Gel. I just find this gel to be the best for my curl type. It gives me hold, but my hair is not crunchy. I'm gonna go section by section, clumping my hair together to form kind of ropes of hair. And I'm gonna squish it up just like I did with the Believe In. So you're gonna see, rake it through the hair, clump the hair together, and then squish up or scrunch up. Squish, squish, squish. And your hair should be soaking wet, so you should actually hear like a squishy noise. I'm gonna get my wet brush and kind of comb it through to make sure all of the products were evenly distributed throughout the hair. And also so that my curls start to clump together and form a natural curl pattern. Now I'm gonna scrunch my hair. And again, you should be hearing a squishy, scrunchy sound with all the water that's in your hair. And all the curls are starting to naturally curl or form their own way. Now this is an old cotton t-shirt and I'm using that to scrunch out any excess water in my hair, and I hold it up to my crown or up to my scalp to make sure all of the water really is out of my hair. So see, squishing it out. Now I'm going to take a little bit more of the Ultra Defining Gel and that water and conditioner mixture, and I'm going to glaze it over my hair. I just do this because I find when I scrunch out the excess water, I get a lot of the gel missing from my hair. And I like an extra hold to my hair, so that's what I do. Now I'm gonna load my hair. I'm gonna plop it down slowly into the diffuser, and then I turn it on. I'm using the high heat setting on high. I also have a lot of hair, so that's why I do that. But I'm gonna shake it as I dry. So I'm gonna keep doing this throughout my hair. And the most important tip I have for this is to turn off the blow dryer in between sections. So here I turned it off before I took it out of the blow dryer. I do that to prevent my hair from blowing all around and making it frizzy. So I'm gonna turn it off. Now, once it's up on my head, turn it back on again, and then turn it off when I release.
20 minutes later.
Now, my hair is 95% dry, and I'm going to finger coil the front sections or the bangs and pin them at the top of my hair. As you can see, I already did that. And I'm going to continue to diffuse my hair so that it's a little bit more dry. The reason I finger coil this front section is just so they're a little more uniform. Now that my hair is 95% dry, I'm going to scrunch my hair in the way I would naturally, but then clip it up. And I use these big, like 90s clips in my hair to do so. The reason I do this is I find this gives me tons of volume, and it works better for me than using those little metal crocodile clips. I just love this. It keeps the hair off of my head, and I know a lot of you guys like this tip too from my last curly hair routine. So as you can see, I really do this. I make sure that the top of my head, each section is not too big so that's not tugging. You don't want any hairs tugging because then you'll get straight strands. And that's it. I just clip them in section by section. And then while this dries, I'm gonna go do my makeup, get ready. I gave it like another 20 minutes while I did my makeup and got dressed. If you like this music, by the way, it is actually my friend Jose's band. I will be putting the links down below to follow them. Now it's been 20 minutes. I'm gonna Take out each clip carefully so that you don't pull any curls and shake it out. That's what I'm doing. See how shiny my hair came out with this Believe In? I really, really love this product. And then each of those coils, I'm going to take them one by one, take them out. And that's pretty much almost it. I mean, it's not much to it. I do this about once or twice a week. Now I'm going to scrunch out the curl cast and give it a good shake. And voila, curly hair. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. And follow me on all my social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and check out the description below for more links. Bye.